Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. I hope you guys are ready for our new project. I today have something new, something we haven't tried on the channel before. So we have Lion brand yarns off the hook wool. It's called this way because we don't need a needle to work it. So here is how we can do it. So it looks like it's already done, but I will show you a close-up of what it's really meant by this. So here is the beginning thread that you can see. And you see the little loops made out of wool as well. So these are in knots. Basically, they build the cool little cute loops like these. And yeah, so this one in particular is 100 grams and 100% polyester. And we even have some estimates. So 1 spool is 1 winter hat, 2 are a scarf, and 3 is a baby blanket, but I think I will stay by the 1 spool. We have the estimated thickness, so 7 millimeters, but I'm not really sure if they think needle size or what they really mean by it. But anyway, I thought I could show you since it is something new and something I think you're gonna like. So this is also awesome for beginners, especially if you're not very good with the knitting needles or the crocheting needles. So this one is called Hugs and Kisses if you want the exact one. The colors are pretty awesome. So let me show you how it works. So let's start. We are counting the loops. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 should be a nice length. So let's simply go back. So between these 2 loops, I will stop and move to the rest to the side, to the back. And simply take the first loop and go through the other one. Take the next one and go through and just leave it for now. And again. And just keep repeating till the end. Five pairs. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, and last one, 12. And now, this is my first row done, but honestly I think it's a bit too wide for a scarf, so I'll take it apart and I think I'll do just 10, maybe even 8. Okay, 8 is better I think, so I'll just do it again. So you see that I'm pretty new with this one too, so this is definitely yeah, something new for me as well. I wanted to try it out with you guys, so yeah, don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're gonna get awesome results in the end anyway. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I like this width. It's super fluffy. I really love it, and the colors are also great. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the colors. Maybe you find something different. I'm also loving the texture of this as well. So let's do the next row. So simply just move this to the back and take the last loop you did and just continue to the front or to the start. So left to right is what you're doing right now, and that's how you get your rows. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't forget any. And you see how the pattern starts. It's super simple. And the V's are already forming. And this is how simply you keep going. But this time it's basically just the opposite direction. So that's how you change rows. Simply from going to the left to going to the right. So it's really just not skipping the loops and nothing else you should worry about. Next row already done. It's unbelievably fast to do. And the loops are great. They are not slipping out of each other at all. I was just a little bit afraid that might be happening, but the texture of the material is really great for this. So this is really working quite well. This is very fluffy, so I'll finish the whole spool, and I'm very excited to see what my length is gonna be after a full spool that we do, since it said 2 spools, 1 scarf. So, also an awesome trick is that you don't have to weave anything in, so you're basically done when you decide you're done. So here we are after a while. I only have 4 loops left and I am done. You see the colors that we have here, the pretty purple combined with the pink and the blue. I'm loving this combination. Also, I can definitely say it's super fluffy. I tried to pull a bit out to check if it's gonna get frizzy or anything, but this is really great for now and it's not changing in any way. And on the one side you have a really great wavy pattern that you can easily notice. And here the V's, so you can choose whatever you like better. The weird thing is that it's rolling to the one side and it seems a bit thinner or less wide, so to say, but I love the effect, to be honest. It is a bit short. I would have wanted maybe a bit longer piece. I could have made it wider and out of two spools for a great XXL scarf, but even so I think it works great. Maybe potentially it could be even a loop scarf. So yeah, this would be a great scarf for children, or if you're making this as a gift as well. It's really easy for beginners too. You see, you don't need any other equipment, so you basically just get yourself the wool and the color you like and you can already get started. So if you're afraid to try, this may be the perfect project to do so. yeah, let me guys know what you think in the comment section. Let me show you how to end it, of course. So here we have on one side the open end and on the other the first loop in our row. So let's take this one and simply go through the next one and just keep going with the one into the other, and that way you kind of close up the row and get a really nice ending and edge. So here we are, it looks great, right? Other loops I'll kind of weave in or hide into the scarf itself. There we go, so it's almost invisible. First try was awesome, I have to say. This is super simple, and as I mentioned, it's awesome for beginners. So maybe if you guys have tried it out, let me know how it worked or what piece you made, so how brave you were with trying. Maybe some of you made a hat. I'm guessing that would be a bit more work, but still pretty simple. So yeah, the comment section is below. Feel free to post any comments and feedback you might have. Let me know if you would like to do maybe a big scarf or a hat or a blanket even in one of our next videos. So yeah, feel free to let me know in the comment section as well. You can also like the video if you enjoyed, and you can also subscribe to our channel. That way you can actually always stay updated with everything we post, and check out older videos we already posted, and all of that for free. So stay tuned for our next project. Have a great day, and I'll see you. Bye!